Hello everyone, this is Maria and I am back on the Adbtc site. I just did a video the other day stating how you are able to purchase referrals so that you can create passive income for yourself. Now this number has grown. I started off, I think I had maybe about 60, and I've been averaging about 200 Satoshis a day, and then this is money that I had left over. So I just sent over about $12 from my Coinbase account. So let's see if it has arrived. Okay, so you can see I have 186,551 Satoshis. So my original goal was to have at least 20 referrals. I don't know if I'll be able to get all 20, but I want to show you how I purchase these referrals. So I'm going to go over here to the referral market. And here it just shows you how, what day they registered, the total amount that they've earned, how much they've earned today, and how much they've spent on advertising. So what you're going to do with the referral program is I actually earn 7.5% from their earnings from day to day. And also if they spend any money on advertising, I will also receive some of that money. So what I'm going to do, I want to see people that are active. So I am going to change this here. Okay, so we can see this person here, they have earned 1,056 for today. And this price is a little bit out of my range. So what I want to do is to scroll down here and look at something that's a little bit cheaper. I don't want to spend all of it on just one person. So this one here is at 45,721. So, and they have earned today, and let's see, they just signed up in December. So this is one that I'm going to go ahead and purchase. So you can see here, buy referral, this is going to be the price, and they're going to take it out of this amount here. So I'll go ahead and click on buy. And you'll notice that this amount does go down, so I'll go ahead and refresh that. Okay, that's fine. And then I'm going to come back to the referral market. Okay, do the same thing. Make sure it goes by how much they earned today. And I still have 140,000. And again, I could purchase these, but then that would be all of my money. And I want to stretch it out so I have more people that are working on my behalf so that I can receive earnings. So this one looks pretty good here. They signed up 8/11. They've earned 109. They earned 728 today. I'm going to go ahead and say yes to that one. Add it to my cart and buy. Click it again. Alright, and I'm just going to go back to my referral market. Okay. And let's go here. So I have roughly a little over 100,000 left. So maybe I can find two of them that are about 50. This one I may buy, but let me see if I can find something cheaper. So again, 169, 17. So they signed up about a year ago. But anyway, they have recently been active. You'll notice here that they also have been withdrawing their Bitcoins. They're actually using it. So I'm going to say this is a good one. I'll go ahead and click on that one and buy it. Okay, and should have enough for probably about one more. And I may even leave a little bit in case I want to do any advertising. Alright, so 61. Alright, oh, let me go ahead and do this from the top. Alright, I'm looking for something. Let's see, maybe that one for 55. Alright, when did they sign up? 5, so they haven't been around that long. And you can see that they have withdrawn. They seem to be pretty active. I'm going to go ahead and select this as my last one. Purchase this. Alright, so go ahead and refresh this. Actually, let me just go back to the referral system. And then I can see what my total balance is. So I have, right under 7,000, but now I have a total of 13 referrals. And prior to that, I had 9. So now the reason I did that again is because I'm going to earn 7.5% from referral surfing earnings. So any of those people, if they surf the websites, then I'm going to receive 7.5%. And then also, if any of them choose to advertise, which is what I use this website for, is for my advertising of my Bitcoin programs, then I will also receive 7.5. So that was only $12 to purchase those referrals. And again, so when I log in tomorrow, this will likely be over 1,000 Satoshis, and I'll be receiving a small increment on a daily basis. So you can see I have 13, so I am about 7 away from my goal of having 20. And so I may even let this balance come up and use that in order to purchase more referrals. So I just wanted to show you how to purchase the referrals and how that process works. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe.